Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm just giving my dining area a light cleaning, basically just dusting everything off for the fall. I will be adding just a few fall decor pieces, not much, but just something to start off with. My dining area really didn't need a deep cleaning because it's not that dirty. So I'm starting off with the mirrors and I'm using Windex, just getting off all the dust. I did change my curtain panels a few days ago. These are some gray panels that I've had for a while and I've used them before in my dining room, but they came from HomeGoods. And I'm just wiping off this accent table. This is old. This came from Ross. Maybe about 2 years ago I purchased it. But I do plan on changing it out just as soon as I find one that I like. I'm thinking about putting maybe like a buffet cabinet on each side. But on this side I have an end table. So I just use that for now. But yeah, I do plan on changing those out. Now I'm just wiping off my table, and it is glass. I've had this for a couple years now, and I purchased it at a local store in my area.
Don't wait up, trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought
Now I have everything dusted off. I'm just going to bring in my fall decor. And this is a LED pumpkin. It's glass. This came from HomeGoods. And I used this last fall season. So I'm just going to put that at the bottom of my bar cart. And I'm putting this thankful sign in front of the pumpkin. That came from Big Lots. I made a quick floral arrangement just using some old foxtails that I've had for a long time. They came from Pier 1, and I'm not even sure if Pier 1 still sells them. But yeah, so I just added the foxtails and some florals that are from Hobby Lobby.
Something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind. There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want, come on, spit it out. You and me both got the time to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Everybody smoking, boy, it's getting late, but we keep talking. I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside.
Okay, so I'm going to sweep my carpet. And the reason why I'm not going to use my vacuum is because it is kind of late and I don't want to wake up my neighbors, so I'll vacuum tomorrow.
There's a reason we're here, there's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out.
I'm going to add a table runner, and I don't remember where I purchased this from. It's been a while, so I'm just going to add that to the table. And it goes with my fall colors because I am using neutral colors, the brown and the tans, so that goes perfect. But this is a taupe color. Yeah, it's a taupe color.
The way you're talking to
As a part of my table centerpiece, I will be using these two candle holders. They are glass. They're the glass Mercury, but you'll see that later. I'll give you a close-up.
to try to get to know each other's mind. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Oh. Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning. Wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you.